Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to export high-resolution PDF from AutoCAD. By the end of this video, you'll be able to export a crystal clear high-resolution PDF from AutoCAD. If you've ever exported a drawing only to find that your text is blurry, your lines look pixelated, or your circles look like polygons, you know how frustrating it can be. Standard export settings often compress your file too much, sacrificing quality for file size. Today, I'm going to show you the exact settings to tweak so your PDFs look crisp, sharp, and professional every single time. Let's get started. Open AutoCAD and load up the drawing you want to export. To get the highest quality output, we want to use the plot dialog box rather than the basic export shortcut. Press Ctrl-P on your keyboard to bring up the plot menu. The first and most important setting we need to change is under the Printer Plotter section. Click the Name drop-down menu. Instead of selecting a physical printer, look for the built-in AutoCAD digital plotters. For the absolute highest resolution, select AutoCAD PDF High Quality Print.PC3. This specific configuration is optimized for printing large format drawings with incredible detail. Once you've selected that, click on the Options button located right next to the printer drop-down menu. This opens the PDF Options dialog box, which is where the magic happens. Look for Vector Quality. By default, it might be set lower, but we want to change this to 2400 dpi. Next, look for Raster Image Quality and bump that up to 600 dpi. These adjustments ensure that both your line work and any attached images or hatches stay perfectly sharp, even when someone zooms all the way into the digital PDF. Make sure Convert All Text to Geometry is unchecked so your fonts remain searchable text, then click OK. Next, move down to the Paper Size section. Choose the exact sheet size your drawing was designed for, like Arch D or ANSI B, to prevent AutoCAD from scaling and distorting your line weights. Under the Plot Area dropdown, select Layout if you are printing from paper space, or select Window to manually drag a box around your specific drawing in model space. Over on the right side, under the Plot Style table dropdown, make sure you select your standard monochrome or custom CTB file so your line weights and colors print exactly how you intended. Finally, check the box next to Plot with Plot Styles and ensure your quality is set to normal or maximum. Now before you hit save, always click the preview button in the bottom left corner. Take a close look at your text and fine lines. If everything looks razor sharp and perfectly aligned, right-click and hit Plot, or close the preview and click OK. Choose your destination folder, name your file, and hit Save. And that's how you export a high-resolution PDF from AutoCAD. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any drafting tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.